I'll let you in on the top secret on gardening that no YouTuber or garden centre is going to tell you. Come with me. Don't you love those perfect gardens we see on all the TV shows and most of the YouTube channels? But what's the reality? Come curmudgeon with me and I'll show you. Bugs will eat your harvest. Plants die, don't they, Rufus? Weeds grow. Most of us have real jobs and we don't have the time that we need to keep things neat and tidy. But fear not, the Cultivating Curmudgeon and Rufus will show you the real gardening experience with its successes and its failures. Things won't be perfect, some of your plants will die, but persevere, it has its rewards. Watch on and you'll get real tips and tricks that I learned the hard way on how to get a bountiful harvest. And we'll go from garden to kitchen, where I'll show you how to preserve your precious produce through fermenting kimchi, pickling, and drying, among other methods. So let's not be a mushroom and be kept in the dark and fed on nothing but, you know what we're fed on. How about giving us a like, maybe subscribe. Follow along the antics of this fumbling, bumbling, curmudgeoning, grumpy old man as he looks after his about 400 square metres of veggie garden and 70-something trees in this urban environment. Try to be as sustainable and self-sufficient as we can be, reusing and rebuilding stuff that we find lying around, nicking it from the neighbours' veg collections, reduce our waste, reuse what we can. And it's great for the mental health, getting out there in the fresh air. Oh, I can't say that where we are, can we? In the middle of a city, getting out into the freshest air we can get. But come and join me, watch along, see how I go. I'd really enjoy your company. Enjoy life, and I'll catch you in the garden.